So I'm back again. I got this taken off. I got the coil packs, 10mm nuts taken off. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be cleaning with electric cleaner, and so I got some other stuff too, like the belt conditioner. The belt's been squeaking because of all the coolant and oil I've been spilling on it, and I also got wire dryer. So just doing some preventive maintenance. I got the car jacked up. I'm gonna be working on the MAF sensor as well. I'm gonna be taking care. Oh, this is ripped off. So I'm gonna take care of this too. So you guys can see that. I know I just put that piece on too. So I'm gonna take care of this right now. All right, so I think I found an issue. If you guys can see down there, that Perrin Sump Restrictor is not connected to the Mishimoto hose. You guys can see that right there, what I'm looking at. I just found out right now. I was wiggling the hose, and next thing you know, I don't see it connected to the Perrin Sump Restrictor. This connects to up to right here, and then leads into here. So, which probably explains why I'm throwing a roughness for Misfire. I did clean out the coil packs here. I checked all the connections on this side, and I'm going to work towards on that, but this is not connected, so I've been driving without this. So I'm going to take a look and refix this right now. The issue right now is that the hose is too loose, and I might just end up getting a hose that's a little bit smaller in their diameter to actually make it more tight fit, because it's loose right now on the Mishimoto hose. Alright guys, so what I did was I zip tied. You can see the yellow zip tie on the sump restrictor, and then I also had to refix the coolant hose here too. I had to refix both these hoses, and then I also had to readjust the PCV hose too. So everything looks pretty good so far. I cleaned, like I said, I cleaned both sides. I sprayed everything down with electric cleaner, and then cleaned the MAF sensor. And so everything should be good. So we're just gonna crank it up and see how everything runs for a few minutes. So I'm monitoring all the roughness cylinders just to see if something were to happen. Back at it again. I think I solved the issue. keep doing it until I see some kind of misfire. Come on, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Hang on. Road's kind of bumpy, hang on. Oh, let's do it. No counts on all the cylinders. So I'm actually gonna do a pull. I'm actually gonna do a pull for Corbin. Hold on, can I get out of here? I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna turn around. Here we go. Go. Sounds a lot better. Sounds a lot better. It spools better. There's no like bogging out before when I did the pulls. That's it for my video. So like I said, I'm still going to install the spark plugs and the coil packs, and I don't know, like I said, just do it on the safe side, just to be safe. I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to do anything that would cause any more misfires for this car. So but other than that, that's it, guys. Peace.